welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This recipe for beef and broccoli stir fry is a classic dish of beef sautéed with fresh broccoli and coated in a savory sauce. You can have a healthy and easy dinner on the table in less than 20 minutes. Let's begin! Let's start with the beef and broccoli sauce. In a bowl, 3 tablespoons of warm water. Then add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, followed by 1/2 of a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir and let's add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. In addition, let's add 5 cloves of mashed garlic. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Mix all together and set aside. Moving on, let's prepare 1 pound of flank steak beef. Make sure cut the beef against the grain. This will ensure that the beef is tender and not rubbery. Season the steak pieces with 1 tablespoon of cherry vinegar. Next, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then, let's add 1 teaspoon of white ground pepper, followed by 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and set aside. Moving on, let's prepare our broccoli. Slice. Bring the water to boil and add a pinch of salt. Blanch the broccoli in the hot water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Remove the broccoli immediately with a strainer. Let's cook the beef and broccoli. Heat the pan over high heat, then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then, add the marinated sliced beef. Stir fry until the beef is cooked through and the center of the meat is no longer pink, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add the beef and broccoli sauce that we made. And lastly, add the broccoli. Stir to combine the ingredients well. The rich brown sauce with tender beef and healthy broccoli has captured the hearts and palate of many people. I love stir fry for a quick meal that's full of flavor. Broccoli beef, best homemade recipe featuring tender beef in a brown sauce. You'll never need to order it for takeout ever again, and it's healthier. So if you're craving takeout, this beef and broccoli stir fry will definitely hit the spot. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. So good. So good. Thank you guys for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!